Hi guys, this is the Java series part 73. Now let's discuss about the file output stream and file input stream. Okay, what is the usage of file output stream? File output stream is an output stream that is used for writing the data to a file. Okay, file output stream is used for writing data to a file. And what is the usage of file input stream? File input stream is used for reading byte-oriented data from a file. I repeat it again. File input stream is used for reading byte-oriented data from a file. Got it? Let's see this example. Here I have imported file output stream input output exception. Okay, so this file output stream is present inside the java.io package. Likewise, IO exception is also present inside the java.io package. Okay, here I have created the class. My class name is FOS. Inside this class, I have created the main method. Inside this main, I have created the data variable. Its data type is string. Okay, I have initialized the data. The value for data is, this is a line. Okay, and I have implemented the exception handling using the try-catch block. Okay, here I have created the object for file output stream. Now only we have discussed what is the usage of file output stream, used for writing data to a file, isn't it? So here I have passed the path of the file. Okay, inside the D drive. Now I try to write a data. Okay, that's why I have used the file output stream class. Okay, this is the parameterized constructor for this class. Here I have created the variable data bytes. Okay, its data type is byte array. Okay, this is the array variable. Okay, what type of array is this? Byte array. Okay, and here I have used the get bytes inbuilt method that is present inside the string class. Okay, so with the help of this get bytes method, we can get the sequence of bytes of the string which is present inside the data variable. Got it? And here this is our object out. This is the object for this class, isn't it? And inside this class I have the method write inbuilt method. Okay, that's why I have used the object for this class. Okay, out.write. With the help of this inbuilt method, now I try to write this byte data inside this ABC text file. Up to this clear? Okay, and here this is our message. Okay, so data is written to the file. If this data is written inside this file properly, means we will get this output on our console. Okay, and this is also the inbuilt method. This is also present inside the file output stream. So with the help of this inbuilt method, we can close this file. Okay, and I have used the object for this class, isn't it? Okay, if any error is raised inside the try block, means the control comes here. Here we have the inbuilt exception class. Okay, this is the name of the variable. The inbuilt exception will be stored inside this variable that will be printed on our console with the help of the println method. Okay, I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Actually, here I have used the file output stream inbuilt class that is present inside the java.io package. Okay, and here I have passed the parameter, that is the path of the file. Okay, ABC is my text file name. Okay, now I try to write this string inside this file. Okay, so get bytes is used to convert this string into bytes. Okay, that converted byte value of this string will be stored inside this variable. Its data type is byte array. Okay, inside this class we have write and close method. With the help of this write method, we can write the converted byte value of this string. Okay, so this converted bytes will be stored inside this ABC text file. Okay, with the help of the close inbuilt method, we can close this ABC text file. If any error is occurred, means only the catch block will be executed. Got it? Okay, let me execute this one. This is our output. So this is written inside this ABC. This is the name of the text file. This is present inside the D drive. Now inside the D drive, this is my file name, isn't it? So I open this one. This line is written inside this ABC successfully, isn't it? See here, this is written inside the ABC text file. Okay, with the help of the FileOutputStream class, we can write the data inside the file. Okay, now let's see this example. Here I have used the FileInputStream. So what is the usage of FileInputStream? Is used for reading byte-oriented data from a file, isn't it? Here, this is my class name FIS. I have created the main, and inside the main I have implemented the try catch, that is the exception handling, and inside the try block I have created the object for FileInputStream class. Okay, and this is the parameterized constructor. Here I have passed the path of the file. Now I want to read the content from this ABC file. Okay, and here this is the output statement, data in the file, and reads the first byte. How can I read? With the help of the read method. Okay, this read method is present inside the FileInputStream class. Okay, that's why I have used the input object, because this input object is the object for this FileInputStream, isn't it? So I have to use this object to call the method from this FileInputStream class, isn't it? So this read method is used to read the first byte from this file content. Okay, and that value will be stored inside the I variable. Its data type is integer only. Okay, and here I have implemented the while. Okay, so here I have given -1. That means when the I value reaches the end of the file, okay, at the time this while loop will be terminated. Okay, this loop will be executed till the end of the file. That is the meaning for this -1. Okay, -1 is equivalent to the end of the file of this ABC. Okay, and here when the I value not equal to -1 only, the control comes inside the while block. Okay, and here that value of I will be printed. That is the byte value will be printed on our console. And that byte value will be converted into character with the help of the casting. Okay, so the integer value will be converted into char. That value will be printed on our console. And the next byte value will be read with the help of this statement. Okay, so that value will be stored inside the I variable. And again the control jumps from the 19th line to the 13th line. So if the I value not equal to -1, the control again comes inside the while loop. And the I value will be printed and the character of I value will be printed, and again the third byte value will be read with the help of this statement. This process is going on till the end of the file is reached. Okay, when the end of the file is reached, this read method returns -1. So what will happen? this while block will be terminated. Okay, all the letters from this file will be printed with the byte value on our console. This close method is present inside the file input stream. This is used to close the ABC text file. Okay, this inbuilt method is present inside the file input stream. That's why I have used the object for this class. Okay, and if any error is occurred means this catch block is responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Inside the ABC, this is our content, isn't it? Now, with the help of the file input stream class, I read the content from the ABC. That content with byte value will be printed using this file input stream class. Okay, let me execute this one. So this THIS, okay, this, and this is 32 is the byte value for space, and IS, okay, and this is the character. Okay, here the integer value is printed, that is the byte value is printed, and then single hyphen and the character of I, and 104 is the byte value for H, likewise 105 is the byte value for I. Okay, all the other letters with byte values are printed. Got it? So inside the ABC we have, this is a line, isn't it? So inside the ABC text file we have this output. So this line is printed with the byte value. That's why we got these numbers. Got it? I hope you all understood about the file input stream and file output stream. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.